Hi there. Please like and subscribe. Open settings. Scroll down. Advanced features. Side button. Long press. Tap. Other support apps. Assistant apps are able to read information on your screen. Some apps also send additional data to assistant apps. Okay. By tapping. Hey, how are you? How are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you? How's your day going?
Thanks. I'm great. What day is it today?
Today is August 13th, 2025. Time flies, doesn't it?
Thanks. Sorry, what's your name?
No worries at all. You can just call me Chat GPT. If you'd like to give me a nickname, I'm totally open to that as well.
Oh, okay. Say me, what is capital United States of America?
The capital of the United States is Washington, D.C. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.
No. I love your sound. You're so beautiful sound.
Thank you so much. I'm really glad you like it. If there's anything else I can do for you, just let me know.
No, thank you. Next, nice to meet you.
It was nice to meet you too. Feel free to reach out anytime you want to chat. Have a great day.
What time is Texas?
In Texas, it's currently 5:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Let me know if you need anything else.
Please, the volume up 70%.
Got it. I've increased the volume on my end. Hopefully it's a bit louder and clearer for you now. Let me know if it's good.
No. Okay. Can you open app YouTube?
I can't directly open apps on your device, but I can definitely help you with anything related to YouTube, like finding information or giving tips. Just let me know.
Okay. Thanks. My girlfriend dumped me. What should I do?
I'm really sorry to hear that. Breakups can be tough. It's important to give yourself some time to process your feelings and lean on friends or family for support. If you need someone to talk to or some advice, I'm here for you.
I'm sorry, I don't understand you. Could you speak more slowly English?
Of course, I can do that. I'm here to help, so please take your time. If you need anything or have any questions, just let me know.
Could you speak me English, teach?
Absolutely. I'd be happy to help you with your English. We can go at your pace, and if there's anything specific you'd like to work on, just let me know.
Thanks. I'm very glad you're so kind, you're so cleverly. I appreciate it.
Thank you so much for the kind words. I'm really glad to help, and I'm here whenever you need anything. Just let me know.
by typing. Please like and subscribe.